I wake up early. I open my eyes slowly. I stretch my arms in bed. I take a deep breath. I turn off the alarm clock. I sit up on the bed. I rub my sleepy eyes. I put on my slippers. I walk to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. I brush my teeth gently. I look in the mirror. I comb my hair. I take a short shower. I dry my hair with a towel. I choose comfortable clothes. I get dressed. I walk into the kitchen. I fill the kettle with water. I boil some water for tea. I take out a cup. I put a tea bag in the cup. I pour hot water into the cup. I drink my warm tea. I open the fridge. I take out some milk. I pour milk on cereal. I take a spoon. I eat my breakfast slowly. I enjoy the quiet morning. I open the window to get fresh air. I water my flowers. I pick up the watering can. I clean the leaves with a soft cloth. I look at my flowers with care. I feed my cat. I refill the cat's water bowl. I pet my cat gently. I talk to my cat softly. I put on my shoes. I grab my bag. I head out of the door. I lock the door behind me. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus patiently. I greet the bus driver. I find a seat on the bus. I look out of the window. I listen to the city sounds. I get off at my stop. I walk the rest of the way. I arrive at work. I say hello to my co-workers. I check my emails. I start my computer. I type on the keyboard. I answer some messages. I talk to my boss. I take a short break. I drink a cup of tea. go back to my desk. Thank you.